Hello everyone, I am Madhvi Shah, a commerce faculty at Jai International School. I believe in teaching and learning with fun. Today, me and my students have prepared a skit on consumer awareness which is a part of Business Studies educational drive. I am very thankful to GV sir and Dimple madam for the kind support. So why wait? Let's begin the skit. Enjoy.
As I'm Manali and I'm Dhara and we're from Jai International School and we're going to perform a skit on consumer awareness as a part of our BST educational drive.
So now I'll introduce you with all the characters in the skit. So let's start. Jaideep Rathore as Dex, a foreigner. Vaishnavi Rawat as Lisa, a foreigner as well. They both are a couple. Devan Gadvi as the guide named Ram. Manthan Seratia as the PSI. Ritam Lavaria as the PI and Chash Rojiwaria as the owner at DK Dwellers.
Hey Dex, see this place. Isn't it so adorable?
Yeah, but not more than you.
Oh, jokes apart. We need to find a guide right now.
Oh, seriously?
Yes. Hey, leave the guide. You know what I'm thinking?
What?
We went to a jewelry shop yesterday.
Yeah?
We saw many kinds of jewels over there.
Yeah, so?
So, you know what I'm thinking?
What?
Guess.
About that lady
Which lady?
in black dress?
So you are looking at her?
Yeah, so? That's not a great thing.
Leave the lady. We saw many kinds of ruby stones over there.
Yeah.
So what I'm thinking is that, will you buy a ruby for me?
What?
Will you buy a ruby for me for my new ring?
Not right now, later on we'll buy.
Please, Dex.
Later on.
Dex, please, I want it right now.
Okay. See right there, DK Jewelers.
Yes, come on.
आइए बैठिए क्या लेना है
We want a ruby stone.
Will you please show me that one?
कौन सा ये
Not that one.
ये?
Yes. Dex. Okay, that one.
कौन सा
That.
ये बीच वाला?
Yes, yes, yes. That.
ये रखना है या
No, no.
Nice.
Okay, okay.
You say all the things. Okay, okay, okay.
By the way, we want ruby stone.
रूबी
Yeah.
सर आप मुझे ये बता दीजिए कौन सा रूबी है
This one.
This one.
ले लीजिए आपका रूबी
See, this is so pretty.
Seriously. You like it?
Yes, I want this one. I like it.
Price?
मुझे 7,22,000
What?
7,22,000.
You don't think so this is too much?
No, yesterday also we saw same price only.
You want to buy this one only, no?
Yes, I want this one. Confirm.
Okay. Take this payment.
फिक्स है ना रूबी
Yes.
Yes.
What about bill?
मुझे इंडियन मोबाइल ओनली ट्रस्ट धन्यवाद थैंक यू
Okay?
Yes, thank you so much, Dex. Now come on, let's find a guide.
Yes, let's come.
Hey, let's ask to that man about guide.
Yes, come. Excuse me.
Yes.
Will you help us? We are finding a guy. guide.
Yes, I'm guide. Where go?
The most incredible place of Banarsi. Will you please drop us?
Yes, sit back, Ji.
Oh, what you have done?
I'm sorry, but it's not my fault.
Are you mad or what?
It's broken. I'm sorry, but it's
It is
not.
of 7,22,000 rupees.
I'm sorry, but you had only pushed me.
Sir, क्यों डांटे मैडम जी को? Why scolding मैडम जी?
अरे she broken it.
दिखाओ जरा। कैसे इंसान ने 20 रुपए के नकली है के लिए 7,22,000 दिए? सर, नकली हीरा, डुप्लीकेट।
What?
How is
Duplicate.
possible?
Go to jeweler shop.
Come. Hey, give our money back.
कौन से पैसे कैसे पैसे?
We have purchased a ruby of 7 lakhs from your shop.
No, it is of not of 7 lakh. It is of 7,22,000.
लो जी अंग्रेज में झूठ बोलने लगे। चलो चलो बाहर निकलो। सिक्योरिटी इन लोगों को बाहर निकालो।
You had given us
Duplicate rupee.
बाहर निकलो। बाहर निकलो, excuse me।
Have some patience, we are going. We are in big trouble, Ram.
He's not giving our money back. 7,22,000.
Now what we will do? Where is the police station here?
Yes, come with me. और राम साहब।
अरे राम साहब बोलिए क्या
जब
प्रॉब्लम
से आए हैं, तो भी खो गया है, सुलटा लो इसका।
से थोड़ी देर रुके अभी क्या आते ही हो
इधर है।
अरे जर्मनी से आए, कुछ सुलटा लो इसका।
आप रुक जाओ, हो जाएगा।
We have purchased ruby from DK Jewelers.
And he has given us a duplicate ruby and now he is not giving our money back. We have purchased of 7,22,000.
Show me the bill of purchase, sir.
He hasn't provided any kind of bill.
In that case, without evidence, we can't help you.
So please help us. We are from different country.
Please try to understand, sir, please.
There are rules for us too. We can't help you without evidence.
Sorry, sir. Now get out. Don't I don't want excuse. Please, sir, try to
Please, sir.
understand, please. Please get out. Sorry, sir. Operator.
Ram, he denied us to help.
Now what we will do?
Only I will help you.
But how?
Please think something. You are very brilliant.
Yes.
I take a camera pen, go there, and record all things.
Wow, that's the best idea.
Yeah.
Thing.
Let's go.
Please.
राम साहब।
राम राम।
ये रुपये क्या होता है?
ओ जी हीरा होता है।
महंगा आता होगा।
बहुत महंगा आता है, लेना हो तो दिखाओ।
दिखाओ।
लीजिए।
कितने का है?
ओ जी 7,22,000।
या?
7,22,000।
ठीक है, ये लो पैसे। बिल?
ओ जी खामा का बिल बना के क्यों गवर्नमेंट को टैक्स देना? इससे अच्छा आप हमारा भाई के सही कोई भी दिक्कत हो तो आ जाना।
ठीक है, चलो आप बोल दो तो ले लेते हैं। चलो राम राम।
राम राम, ये लीजिए।
Thank you so much, Ram. Thank you so much. You don't know how much you helped us. Thank
Yes,
you
sir.
so much.
Thank you. Now let's go to police station.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
We are having this evidence.
please. Let me see.
So you can check this. Our guide Ram has helped us.
Okay. This is spy camera, right?
Yes.
Okay, now it's time for rest. समझ में नहीं आया।
तेरी विदाई है।
इसलिए
तूने इन लोगों के साथ जो 7,22,000 रुपए का नकली रूबी दिया है और उनसे फिर जो घपला किया उसके लिए तुझे अरेस्ट कर दिया।
लगता है आप मेरे को जानते नहीं, आप मेरे को अरेस्ट नहीं कर सकते।
लगता है आप सबको जानते हैं।
तो सावर करके देखो।
कान के हाथ बहुत लंबे होते हैं।
दीपिका पादुकोण से भी
With the help of Ram, the jeweler was found guilty and was arrested. Another important thing, whenever buying anything, make sure you have the bill. In case of any fraud, you can go to consumer court and file a suit. Consumers must be aware of all the information regarding their products or services that they buy from the market.
Before purchasing, consumer must insist on getting all the information regarding quality, quantity, utility, price, etc., which will ensure a better purchase. While purchasing, consumer must look at quality certification like ISI, EGMA, etc. One more important thing, according to Indian mythology, Atithi Devo Bhava, the guests are our God. Don't cheat on them, respect them.
Thank you.
Hira, he denied us to help us.
Now what we will do?
He denied us to help. He denied us to
Ram, the jeweler was found guilty and was arrested. One more important thing, whenever buying anything, make sure you ask for the bill. In case of any fraud, consumers may file a suit again in consumer court.
Consumer must be aware about the products or services they buy from the market. They must insist on getting all the information regarding quality, quantity, utility, price, etc., which will ensure a better purchase. While purchasing, consumer must look at the qualification like ISI, EGMA, etc. One more important thing, according to Indian mythology, Atithi Devo Bhava, the guests are our God. Don't respect